The launch was flawless. Years of preparation, sweat, sacrifice. The world watched as the Artemis Nova, humanity's most advanced spacecraft, pierced the sky on its historic journey to Mars. Aboard were 5 scientists, not soldiers, not explorers, but dreamers with data in their veins. For the first few days, everything was textbook, course corrections, life support, communication check-ins. But space has its own plans. Just 12 days in, a solar flare erupted, crippling their guidance systems. The ship spun. Silence filled the cabin as Earth vanished from the screens. "We're blind," whispered Dr. Kieran. With nothing but backup calculations and hand-drawn maps, they corrected their path. But days later, impact. Micrometeoroids. Thousands of them, like bullets from the dark. The hull held barely. Oxygen levels dropped. Food systems stalled. A leak forced the crew into one half of the ship for 6 days, with nothing but ration bars and recycled air. Tensions rose. Arguments flared. Hope thinned. But then, a message, weak, crackling. "Stay the course. You're not far." Earth was still listening, so they pushed on, past mechanical failures, past radiation storms, past sleepless nights and thoughts they couldn't voice. And then Mars, red, quiet, waiting. The landing was brutal. Dust clouded everything. One engine died. The ship came down hard, bouncing, sliding, grinding to a halt just meters from a crater's edge. Silence again. And then breath. They made it. Outside, Mars stretched endlessly, silent, cold, but alive in its own way. Dr. Kieran stepped out first, planting one boot into the red soil. A single tear rolled down her cheek behind the visor. "This," she whispered, "is for all of us." They planted a flag, half Earth, half blank, waiting for the future, because this mission wasn't just survival, it was proof. Proof that humans could endure, could adapt, could reach farther than ever imagined. As the dust settled and the stars blinked above, one truth became clear. Getting to Mars wasn't the goal. Getting through everything it took to get there, that was the victory. And somewhere, on a quiet night back on Earth, a child looked up at the stars and whispered, "Someday I'll go too." And the universe listened